Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this on the graphing calculator for the TI Nspire, just in case you missed that day, and so I don't have to go over it in person. You guys can just go watch the video. Okay, so we're going to look at equation 2x plus 3y equals 7, and x minus 4y equals negative 2. Okay, so we notice that I write the equation here. I'm going to mute it so that you don't hear my voice. We notice that we write the equation. This is our equation. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it into the calculator. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in matrix A. Okay, so we're going to go to add calculator. So if you started off here, I would start with the new document, add calculator. Okay. And then I'm going to go to number 7, go next to number 9, and there's going to be like this button right here where I click. The last thing I click is always going to be in red, the red button, okay? So then we'll see here, we're going to click here at this matrix with the 9 little circle things or square things. We click that, and if we look back at our problem, it's going to be a 2 by 2, okay? So we're going to do a 2 by 2, then press OK. So if you need to take a minute to pause the video, I would pause the video to put it in. Then you press OK, and then we're going to put in these numbers over here. So 2, 3, negative 4, 1. Okay, so then from there, we're going to arrow. Usually the cursor is going to be here. I need you to move the cursor behind the brackets. If you don't, then it's going to focus on that number, negative 4. Okay, so then we're going to go to Control, which is the orange button on your screen, and we're going to go to STOR. So where it says VAR, VAR, we're going to click that. We're going to store it as matrix A. So we're going to click letter A and then press Enter. Okay, when you store it, you should see that your answer is on this other side. If you don't see that your answer is on this other side, then you probably didn't store it correctly. Okay, when you're multiplying these problems, you have to multiply with a to the negative 1/2 power. So just like it says right here, a to the negative 1/2 power times b. So now we're going to store b, which is your equals to part. Okay, so we're going to store that. So we're going to go back to this matrix there. Click on this again. We're going to store 2 rows in 1 column. Okay, and then we're going to click on, or we're going to click 7, negative 2. So 7, negative 2. And we're going to store this to B. Okay, so Control, oh wait, we forgot to arrow over. Arrow over, Control, Store. We're going to store it as B, Enter. Okay, from there we can do our matrix. So A to the power, A to the power, A to the power of negative, this is my negative sign, of 1 times, nope, we did that incorrect. We have to arrow down. In order to narrow down is because if not, it's going to be connected with a negative 1. So we have to arrow down and multiply it by B and press Enter. Okay, so our final answer should be a 2, 1, x equaling 2, y equaling 1. And we could go back and see if that was our answer. In the document or in that video, it does talk about right there. Let me see. If we go back just a tad bit, let me see if I can catch it. So you can see that your answer is 2, 1, which is x equals 2, y equals 1. Okay? If you have any other questions, you need to make sure, like, so for example, if we go on and look at this, we're going to have a 3 by 3. So you would have a matrix 3 by 3. And then you would your B would change to a 3 by 1. So if you have any questions on the calculator, just let me know. Have a great day.